This alleged iPhone 13 mini prototype showcases diagonally placed cameras. The latest iPhone 13 leak revealed what Apple's new smartphone could potentially look like, thanks to iPhone 13 mini prototype. This unofficial prototype, as reported by Chinese site Itham, features two redesigned rear camera lenses that are placed diagonally, as opposed to the vertical placement seen in last year's iPhone 12. This comes after the leak that hinted at a new dual camera arrangement that corresponds with the prototype in question. Now, the main thing to keep in mind is that it's still a prototype, so Apple hasn't confirmed anything surrounding the leaks and rumors. In fact, mass production has almost certainly not begun, since the predicted official launch isn't until September. From the looks of the prototype, we see little to no changes compared to the iPhone 13's predecessor apart from the camera redesign. Even the navy blue color clearly corresponds to the latest 2020 lineup. However, if we trust the speculation and Apple does indeed stick to the diagonal camera lens placement, we could probably see a similar design being implemented in the larger and more premium phone models as well. Apple's iPhone 13 lineup is expected to be powered by the highly anticipated A15 Bionic chip, which is rumored to be ahead of schedule and due to start production in late May. Other major rumors also refer to a smaller notch, an always-on display and a 120Hz ProMotion display on the Pro and Pro Max models. The iPhone 13 is also rumored to offer a number of camera upgrades, including a possible portrait mode for video, and astrophotography features for shooting the night sky. And the regular iPhone 13 may offer sensor shift stabilization, which was formerly reserved for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. As we get closer to summer, we expect to see a lot more iPhone 13 leaks. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you.